and good morning. How is everyone doing today? Thank you so much, Kyle, for having us, and Kate. My name is Michael Smith, and this is Paul Fannin, and we belong to the field marketing team for Milwaukee Electric Tool. So without further ado, we're going to start it off with a little bit of the Milwaukee story. Beautiful. So when Milwaukee first came out in 1924, we led the industry in both durability and performance. One of our first tools that we actually ever came out with was our hole shooter, used by Henry Ford to make the Model T. So we have unwavering commitments to our trades, and we are continuing to provide innovative and trade-specific solutions for those. So depending on what avenue you'd like to get into, whether it's an electrical, remodeling, plumbing, or HVAC, we have core trades and we have specific tools designed for them to ensure that we are providing an easier productivity as well as reducing end user fatigue on the job site. So some trade-specific tools that we have are our electrical specific solutions, from our crimpers to our cutters to our knockout tools. Just some plumbing specific solutions that we have, from our copper tube cutters to our crimpers. And we're just getting into a whole another side of our automotive side, which includes our high torque impact wrenches, as well as our new stubbies, which is our M12 line, which is a more compact and lightweight line used for specific applications. We also have a carpentry specific line that we had just come out with as well. So on our 18 volt line, which are used for our larger application tools, we have over 170 plus tools that we use. So we have our best in class motors, backed by our leading warranty and service, and these specific tools are going to provide the most runtime, power, and durability on the job site. The second set of line we have is our 12 volt line, and that includes over 90 plus tools on our 12 volt platform. And again, we're always catering to our core trades. We have even some of the batteries that we use for our heated gear, as well as we have an integrated fuel technology for our 12 volt line.
So just a couple things here I want to get into as well. So, one thing that we really pride ourselves on at Milwaukee is innovation. Being the first two in the world on a lot of things. So this is our little chance here, I guess, to humble brag with Milwaukee. Now the advancements in technology and battery technology and tool technology now has really allowed us to break ground and break some barriers on some tools that might traditionally be thought of as gas powered or corded tools.
Everything that we need to do can be done with the M18 system.
I was blown away. We were blown away, the crew and I.
When I first started using it, I was surprised it wasn't corded. I couldn't believe it was battery operated.
And the power was just phenomenal.
Even with its smaller size, it gets to everything that we needed to do.
It's small, it's compact, it's powerful.
The quality, the power, dependability, I'm impressed.
You never have to worry about if you got a power source or not.
Definitely, you're not going to beat the power and the mobility of it.
It's very important that all the batteries are interchangeable.
It keeps us going. Just grab it and go.
It's an amazing lineup.
I love the versatility.
It is a perfect tool for everything that we do.
It's really a game changer for us.
It's very important to have the new 12.0 batteries when you're running heavy-duty tools, doing heavy-duty things.
What Milwaukee Tool has done is amazing.
So it's kind of just a little sneak peek there. But one thing, again, like I mentioned, is we're trying to create, our vision at Milwaukee is to create a cordless job site, cordless workspace, wherever you are using tools. One thing that's great about this and how we're able to do that is when you look into the tool a little bit further, there is a lot of technology, science, a lot of electronics that are put into a power tool, and really without going into too much detail about the tool, it's really just 3 components here. So like any machine or power tool is a motor. We use brushless motors like we've I'm sure everybody has heard before. One unique thing with batteries as well. So trying to stay away from gas and corded tools and everything like that, you really need a powerful battery. And that's why with Milwaukee, we've now gone to lithium-ion cells to give enough power to really make you productive with whatever job you're working on that specific day. One other thing as well, which is my favorite part about the tool, is RedLink Plus Intelligence. And as simple as I can put it, is it's the brain behind the tools. So all Milwaukee tools are smart tools, and this RedLink Intelligence is essentially a computer chip inside of all of our tools that allows constant communication between the tool and the battery. That's going to give you the most power or the most precision from whatever job that you're working on. If you're doing heavy duty installations or you're doing more fine work with robotics, the tool and the battery have constant communication to allow you the most productive job. One other thing that we're really excited about in Milwaukee, again, always on that same note, that same agenda of continuing to push, continuing to innovate, is OneKey. And I got a short little video here to show you guys.
OneKey is the first digital platform for tools and equipment. Built on the principles of customize, track, and manage, OneKey combines tool and software technology, offering a modern approach to tool management. As a cloud-based program, OneKey provides a clear view of all of your inventory from a central location, while allowing you to customize and track your tools and equipment. Managing inventory is one of the most common frustrations across job sites today. With OneKey, it's never been easier. The Inventory Management Portal is a fast, easy way to access just about anything you need to know about a tool. Look up purchase information, tool status, tool performance reports, or see when the tool is due for maintenance. Once all this information is logged, assign these tools to specific job sites, people, vehicles, or wherever you need the tool to go. This becomes a huge time saver when managing a lot of equipment across multiple job sites. Keeping track of all this inventory can be difficult, and if you're losing tools, you're losing money. Tool tracking solves this problem for OneKey-enabled tools by updating locations automatically. If you're looking for additional tracking functionality, attach a tick tool and equipment tracking device to any item in your inventory and track the locations of those items through the OneKey app. Let's say a tool is stolen. You can flag the tool as missing, and you'll automatically receive an updated location the next time that tool comes within range of a phone with OneKey. If you want to take it a step further, you can lock the tool out so it cannot be used until it has been recovered. OneKey offers tool customization that gives you control to maximize runtime, power, and cut down on expensive bits and blades. You can stick with factory presets or customize specific setups for repetitive applications to meet the needs of the job at hand. OneKey is a technology platform that provides unmatched detail of and access to your tools and equipment, all from a central location. Customize, track, and manage with OneKey.
So that's something that we're really excited about. Whether you're trying to track your tool, customize your tool, or everything like that. If I can leave with one note, it's get inspired. There's lots of great schools, vendors, companies in the building today, and use it as an opportunity to ask some questions, to get out there, but follow what you're inspired about. And thanks again, Kyle, Kate, everybody for having us today, and everybody have a great day.